Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm here with my dealer roundtable, and we've also got our 4 regional managers from all around the country. And we are taking a break from having a bunch of work that we did today, and we're here at the Jim Beam Distillery. We're going to take a tour. Before we do that, let's ask Todd Maxwell with RMH Systems. What'd you think today of the dealer roundtable?
It was fantastic. We did best practices. We got an update from the marketing departments. We learned about all the innovative products that you guys are rolling out, which is fantastic, especially from us on the sales side. We could always like new things to sell. It was really enjoyable. I liked meeting all the staff. You couldn't ask for a better company to host a dealer meeting. It was just great.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. That was very good. So tomorrow, we're going to take them back to the WireCrafter factory. We're going to have a tour. We've got a guest speaker. And then we'll turn these guys loose to sell more and more wire partition. But here in a few minutes, we're going to go through the Jim Beam Distillery and try a little bourbon. And that's what we have today. So we will see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.